I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at how to clean your Fitbit Charge 5. So you want to do this periodically, especially if you wear your Fitbit in a situation where you might get soap on it, or you might wear it to the beach, somewhere where you're going to get sand and that kind of thing into the charging contacts. And just to keep it, safe and easy to use on your skin, it's important to clean it periodically. So there's a couple of things we're going to do in order to clean it. The first thing we're going to do is actually to clean the battery charging contacts. And that's these little gold circles on the back here. And you want to keep those clean because they can get contaminated. They can get especially dust and dirt, and it can make it harder to charge the device. So this is a really important step that a lot of people don't know about. And what we're going to do is actually take an old toothbrush. So here's that, and we're going to dip it in some rubbing alcohol. And this is just the kind of over-the-counter rubbing alcohol that you can get in the store. Got some of that on there, and then we're just going to rub this in to get the bristles in and kind of scrub out those charging contacts. You can hold the watch still, really get in there and make sure you scrub and shine those up. And when you're done, you want those to be nice and shiny. You want to make sure that there's no debris, sand, dirt, anything on there, and that there's no oxidation or anything. And that rubbing alcohol, again, is going to do a great job of getting all of that off of those charging contacts on the back here, getting them nice and shiny, and that's going to improve the charging connection, make sure that the device is going to charge effectively. Now I like to take a little cotton round and just clean that rubbing alcohol off really well. And this is the device is fully waterproof, so you can also just give it a quick rinse under the faucet, get all that alcohol residue off. Now our next step is going to be to actually clean the physical back of the device, the bands where it's going to be in contact with skin, and the screen itself. And to do that, Fitbit recommends using a skin-safe, gentle cleanser. And the one they recommend in particular is Cetaphil. This is a really good gentle cleaner that people use for sensitive skin. And it's great to clean the device because it's going to be really sensitive on the components and the plastic, but also because this is a skin contact device, this is going to be pressed against your arm, you want to make sure you're not getting any kind of residue on there that might cause skin irritation. So we're just going to take a cotton round, anything that's really going to be kind of gentle on the device, and then we're going to put a little bit of the Cetaphil soap cleaner on there, get that in, and then we're just going to scrub the device. And we want to scrub, again, the back where it's going to be in contact with your skin. You want to get up and down the bands, make sure that you clean everything off really effectively with this Cetaphil cleaner, again, on any kind of a non-abrasive type of cleaner. The cotton is great because it's not going to leave little fibers or anything. You could use a microfiber cloth as well. And we're going to get the screen as well on this. So we get the screen there, get the other sides of the bands, and we're just going to really effectively clean all parts of this with this Cetaphil on my little cleaner here. Now when we're done, there really won't be that much residue on here because, again, it is that skin-safe cleaner, but still we do want to rinse it off. So just get some flowing water, rinse that off on the Fitbit. Get all the soap off, and again, it is fully waterproof, so you can do this safely, no problem. Now I just like to get a dry one of these little cotton swabs, and I'm going to just dry the whole device and on the back as well. And you can see after doing that, all the sensors on the back are clean, the charging contacts are clean, the band is very clean, and that's going to just improve its ability to read heart rate and other kinds of things through the skin. It's also going to make it just more comfortable on your skin to wear. Now, even once you've dried it, you can see there's still a little bit of dampness on the device. You don't want to put it back on your skin until it is fully dry, so I can just put it in a relatively sunny area, give it a little time to just totally dry out. So I just set it here on my treadmill where there's some sun coming in. We'll let it fully dry before we put it back on. Now, after a couple minutes in the sun, you can see it is well and fully dry, extremely clean, and this is ready to put back on my wrist and start using again. And that's how we clean the Fitbit Charge 5. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.